Hello and welcome to Osaka famous spot in Japan. Every Sunday I will introduce a famous spot of Osaka in English. I'm your professor Mr. Doi and I'm making this video for my English study. If my pronunciation is unclear, please refer to the script in this video's description. Today I will talk to you about Hamadera Park. Hamadera Park is a large seaside park in Sakai City, Osaka. It opened in 1873 and is one of the oldest parks in Osaka. Many people visit the park to relax and enjoy nature near the sea. The park is famous for its pine trees that grow along the coast. There are more than 5,000 pine trees which create a beautiful green landscape. These trees make a park a peaceful place where people like to walk and rest. The park has many places for visitors to enjoy activities. There are wide lawns, walking paths, and cycling roads that people can use for exercise. Families also visit to the park to have picnic and to spend time together outdoors. In summer, many visitors come to the Hamadera Park pool to swim and have fun. There is also a small amusement area where children can ride go-karts and a mini train. These activities make the park a good place for families that want to enjoy a full day outside. Another interesting place near the park is Hamadera Koen Station. This station building was designed by the famous architect Kingo Tatsuno. It's a beautiful wooden station that shows the style of the Meiji period. Hamadera Park is also popular for cycling. Some visitors ride their bicycles through the park to enjoy the sea breeze and the long tree-lined roads. Hamadera Park is not only a place for sightseeing, it's a grand place that shows a relaxing side of Osaka. It's a good place to visit if you want to walk by the sea and enjoy nature. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.